Welcome back to Fidgets.
So today we're gonna be making a hideout
with fidgets.
A fidget hideout in that closet right there. So I actually put like fidgets in trays and stuff. So now I'm gonna put it into closet. Okay. So we finished about
I don't know.
Alright, so we're finished. Alright, so we're in. Don't worry. I'm going to turn the loud light on. No. So we're done. So back here where Jude is, we have
Ball. I brought it about you both.
Oh, yeah, no, you didn't.
I did.
See? Put the lighting like right here.
Bright.
Oh, it's bright.
See?
So,
Stop.
sorry. Alright, so back here, we have Jude. And he's just chilling in the chill corner because there's a pillow actually behind And then, right here.
Just write into my notebook.
No, don't, stop. Don't open it. No, don't open it. That's right.
Right in this one, good.
Alright, so Alright. So we got that. It's kind of scary. Okay. So weird. But we're having that.
You're not so fun.
And then right here where you see the yellow, we have a desk. So here's the desk. Wait, move. Here's the desk. We have some books right here. These books that I got from the dollar store. And we got some gel pens. And we actually got this actually, but you didn't see it actually. But whatever. And we're using our jumbo 100 pocket for the desk. And then we have poppets lined on the side. Back here. Back here. We got ignore him. Okay. So back here we have all those. So we're just gonna chill here. So bye.